Hey, what's going on, everyone? Everybody's looking for a single-story property. They want single-story, they want a bunch of rooms, they need a lot of space, and they want to be in a really nice community. Today, I'm ecstatic to bring you this property. It's 2,800 square feet with 5 bedrooms, and it's walking distance from a park. Come check this thing out, you're gonna love it. How did you feel? I know you like the property. When I mentioned earlier about walking distance from the park, I mean, I literally meant walking distance from the park. Oh, shit. Oh.